Yeah. Oh, I got it in the bag. Yeah, I'm gonna go out and wow these fuckers. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Okay, I'll see you after the show. Okay, bye. How you doing?
Hello.
Hi.
Good luck.
Hi, I'm gonna sing nice little song for you now. Okay. Oh yeah. Here it comes. Coming at you. Straight from the base. I auditioned for a talent competition, and listen up, this was my mission: to go up on stage and entertain, maybe change how people think with their brain, trying to stop them going insane or becoming vigilantes like Bruce Wayne. I started to sing a nice little song, and that's when the shit all went wrong. I can't sing quite like no Susan Boyle. I screeched the place down, they started to recoil. They were covering their ears, bitch, I was bringing them to tears. I felt like I should shut up, they've had enough of this stuff. I wanted to run from the stage, but I was trapped like Tweety Bird in his cage. I did see a pussy cat, feeling like a hack, afraid of the feedback he was going to receive, and the hut it was going to leave. In the pit of his gut, I was stuck in a rut, trying to crawl out of this mess, turn their nose into a yes, to reach out and grab success, but I digress. I finished my little ditty, feeling like Slim Shitty. They just said, thanks, next. Then I felt shaken, I got a text. How did it go? Do you think you'll win this talent show? Fuck no.